In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook Online. Outlook Online is a convenient way to manage your email, calendar, and contacts from any device with a web browser. It's especially useful because everything is stored online, so you can stay organized whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. To get started, open your web browser and go to Outlook Online, also known as Outlook.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account, or your work or school account, depending on what you use for email. After signing in, you'll arrive at your inbox, which is the main area where you can read, send, and organize messages. If you want to send an email, click New Mail. A message window will open. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Then add a subject line so the person knows what your email is about before opening it. After that, type your message in the main body area. When everything looks good, click Send. Keeping your subject clear and your message concise can make your emails easier for others to understand. To read and manage emails, click any message in your inbox to open it. If you want to respond, you can choose Reply to answer just the sender, Reply All to respond to everyone included, or Forward to send the message to someone else. You'll also see options like Archive, Delete, Flag, and Categorize. These tools help you keep your inbox tidy and make important messages easier to find later. At the top of the screen, use the search bar whenever you need to find a specific email quickly. To organize your inbox even further, go to the left sidebar and right-click Folders. Then select Create New Folder. Type a name for the folder and press Enter. You can drag emails into folders manually or create rules to move them automatically. This is a great way to separate work messages, personal emails, and anything else you want to keep sorted. Outlook Online also includes a built-in calendar. Click the calendar icon in the left navigation pane, then select New Event. Enter the event details, such as the title, date, time, and any other information you want to include. When you're done, click Save. Using the calendar regularly can help you keep track of appointments, meetings, and deadlines. Finally, to manage contacts, click the People icon and select New Contact. Enter the contact information, then click Create or Save. Saving contacts makes it faster and easier to send emails in the future,